In this video, how to sell thumbnails in Canva, I will show you step by step how to create and sell thumbnails using Canva. First, go to the Canva website or open the Canva app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After that, go to the search bar on the homepage. Type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Click the thumbnail format to open the design editor. Now choose a professional template that matches popular video styles. Click the template to start editing. Change the text by clicking directly on it. Type an attractive and easy-to-read title. Now replace the template images with high-quality images. Click Uploads to upload your own images. Drag the image into the thumbnail design. Adjust the image size so it fits correctly. Use strong colors to attract viewers' attention. Add elements by clicking the Elements option. You can add icons, shapes, and visual effects. Review the design to make sure the text is clear and visible. After that, click the Share button in the top right corner. Click Download and choose PNG format for better quality. Now your thumbnail is ready to be sold. You can sell thumbnails on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a listing showing examples of your thumbnails. Explain that you design professional thumbnails using Canva. Add sample images to your listing. Set a competitive price to attract clients. When you receive an order, customize the thumbnail based on the client's topic. Send the final PNG file to the buyer. This is how you can make money selling thumbnails created in Canva.